Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and if you are tired of the standard appearance of your device, then it's time to change something. So now I'll show you the top of the best theme for this device. So let's get started. At the third place of our top is Niagara Launcher. To install it, you need to open Petal Search, find Petal Search, and find here Niagara Launcher. Click Install, click Download, click Allow, click Install, and click Open. Great. Wait a while. Click Agree to Continue. Choose your favorite apps, for example, Chrome, Office, I don't know, Camera, and Docs, for example. Click OK. Of course, you need to set up this launcher, so click to set this launcher as default. As you can see, we have this launcher as default now. Click Show More, Enable All, Enable Messaging, Allow, Hide Unused Apps if you want to hide apps. So, for example, Steam Toolkit. OK, your efficiency. Cool. So, as you can see, there is a fine minimalistic launcher with good navigation. For example, if you want to find any application, you need to just touch your finger to the alphabet and drag your finger to the desired data. For example, if you want to find Petal Search, just tap your finger on the alphabet and drag it to P button, and here you will see Petal Search. Great. So as you can see, there's a really fine browser, fine, minimalistic, and not annoying. So this was the launcher on the third place on our top. But now I will show you the launcher on the second place, and it's Smart Launcher 6. So open Petal Search and find the Smart Launcher 6. Install it, click Download, wait a while, click Allow, Install, Open, and great. Get started. I agree, confirm, continue, allow only use, allow, wallpaper, exit, and set as default. Smart Launcher, great. As you can see, Smart Launcher is a really beautiful launcher with a handle application grouping function. For example, as you can see, here we have groups of our application. For example, here are all contacts, all your messengers, all your social, only messengers. Here you will see only messenger. If you have messenger, it will be here. Telegram will be here. Here you will see all your internet applications, social media applications. Here you will see all your games, all media applications, all utilities and toolkits. So great. Here you will see all your utilities, and here all your toolkits. Okay, so great. It's really simple and beautiful launcher. Here you will see all stories about stores, sport, adventures, and etc. Cool. This launcher was on second place, but on the first place, of course, is Microsoft Launcher. So let's find Petal Search and find Microsoft Launcher. Find it and install. So great, click allow, install, click open, I agree, get started, allow only use, okay, current wallpaper, and cool. Here you need to sign in to Microsoft account to connect to your phone with your Windows device. I will skip it now because I will not show you now how it works. Click let's go, and great. Here you see the best launcher for your device, really best custom launcher for your device. This is because this launcher is beautiful and very functional. In this launcher you can configure and change and customize literally everything. And if you will connect your Microsoft account to this launcher, all messages that will come to your phone will be redirected to your computer with the Windows operating system. So all messages, all calls, all notifications, like iPhone with MacBook. So you can use your Huawei device with Microsoft Launcher with your Windows book. Okay, so here you can change really everything. You can change widgets here. If you don't want to use Microsoft Calendar, just disable Microsoft Calendar and add your Huawei Calendar or Google Calendar if you have installed Google Apps. So you can really change everything here. You can change. Great. Here we see our launcher settings. Here we can change wallpapers, themes. We can make our themes to light or dark. We can change colors of our system, of our launcher. We can change our feed. We can change gestures. For example, as you can see, we can change swipe up, swipe down gestures. We can change really literally everything. So, but we need to set up this browser as default, this launcher as default. So open settings, choose apps and services, choose default apps, home app, choose Microsoft Launcher. Microsoft Launcher is completely free. You can't buy here anything. All functions on this launcher are for free. And of course, one of the best launchers for your device. This is the pre-installed Huawei launcher. Sorry guys, but it's true, because in our situation, when is Google blocking, the Huawei phone can't work properly without petal search. Yes, so Microsoft Launcher is a really good result for you, but Huawei Launcher has petal search pre-installed in our system, in our launcher. Here we have our petal search. Here we can search for our documents on our device. Here we have our search history, for example. Here we have our suggested apps. It's really good. Of course, if you are bored or tired of the standard appearance, Microsoft Launcher is the best resolve, in my humble opinion. But Huawei Launcher has a preview for applications, for example, our messages or our browser, and it's really great. I don't know if you are using for any of showed launchers, please tell me in comments, and if you are using for another launcher, tell me about it too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.